my God! English speaking kids!
Today, let's learn about emergency vehicles. Wow, emergency vehicle helps us in various dangerous situations. Emergency vehicles that run on land. Emergency vehicles that run on air. Emergency vehicles that run on sea. Let's go. This is an ambulance vehicle. Wow. Ambulance helps to carry people to the hospital in an emergency situation. This is a police car. Wow. It helps the police to catch the bad guys and keep the place safe. It has sirens to alert the people on the way. This is a police bicycle. Wow. The police ride bicycles in the streets, parks, playgrounds, and cities to look for and keep people safe. Yeah. This is a police motorcycle. Wow, the police motorcycle helps the police with patrols and chasing bad guys, and reaches the scene very quickly to keep people safe. This is a fire truck. Wow. The fire truck helps the firefighters to carry water and spray water to stop the fire. This is a police van. Wow. The police van carries the police and their equipment to help in emergencies. It carries more police in the van. This is a rescue vehicle. Wow. The rescue vehicle carries stretchers and safety tools to help people during accidents, fires, and floods. This is a tow truck. Wow. The tow truck helps to tow broken down or damaged vehicles to a service garage. This is a ladder truck. Wow! The ladder truck helps firefighters to rescue people who are trapped in tall buildings and spray water from above to stop the fire. This is a van ambulance. Wow! The van ambulance helps the patient get to the hospital quickly. It also helps the patient to give first aid. This is a wildfire truck. Wow. The wildfire truck helps fight fires in the forests by spraying water to stop wildfires fast. This is the airport rescue truck. Wow. The airport rescue truck helps with airplane emergencies with water, foam, and tools to keep us safe. This is a SWAT rescue vehicle. Wow! The SWAT rescue vehicle helps SWAT teams reach people in danger during tough situations like floods or emergencies. This is a tactical EMS vehicle. Wow! The tactical EMS vehicle helps paramedics reach people quickly in dangerous places like disasters or emergencies. This is a snowblow truck. Wow! The snowblower truck clears heavy snow from roads using a big spinning blade to keep streets safe during winter. This is a rescue helicopter. Wow! It helps to fly people quickly in emergencies to save them. It flies quickly to assist people in dangerous situations. This is a police helicopter. Wow. The police helicopter is used to chase suspects and monitor traffic during emergencies. This is air ambulance. Wow. The air ambulance quickly flies patients to the hospital quickly in emergency situations. This is a firefighting aircraft. Wow. The firefighting aircraft flies over fires and drops water or foam to help stop the fire from spreading. This is a Coast Guard cutter. Wow. The Coast Guard cutter patrols the sea and rescues people in danger and protects the coastline from threats. This is a fireboat. Wow! The fireboat helps to spray water on fires near docks, ships, or buildings by the sea or river. This is a rescue boat. Wow! The rescue boat helps to save people who are trapped in floods or accidents at sea. The rescue boats are fast and strong in rough waters. Good job, OMG English-speaking kids! In this video, we explored so many amazing emergency vehicles today, which keep us safe.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe OMG English Speaking Kids for more fun. See you in next video. Goodbye.